kind of loud right now, but my husband, he's getting his window tint changed on his car because the front windows are too dark. Yeah, it looks like it's still tinted, but it's not, right?
No. It's probably, the window probably has a natural tint to it.
Oh boy, another busy day. So from this morning, my husband got his windows tinted. When we bought the truck, they were very dark. It was like 5% illegal window tint. Over the years, it's just like, you know what, this is way too dark. So he decided that he was gonna just do the front windows to like a lighter tint. He removed the tint off the car because they were gonna charge like an extra $75. So this is what it looks like. I've never seen window tint before, but look at how crazy that is. It's like so dark. Wow. I plan to tint a couple of windows in this house. So what I've learned from just loving houses and learning about directional houses, north, south, east, west, and all that. Right here is the south side of the house, and over there it's really hot. So I feel like heat comes in, so I want to tint those 3 windows right there. And then also I want to tint that window right there too, because that is really, really hot, especially the fact that it's upstairs. It's just really hot. And the window tinting place, they said that they do tint windows on homes. So I'm really excited to try that because I think it'll really help. And then on top of that, we get a lot of walkers, and so they walk and we open the window and then they can like see inside the house. So I feel like it'll also be a privacy factor. So I want to do like that mirror effect look on the windows. I think that'll look really cool. I really hope this will turn out. This is cool. You get to kind of pick and customize what floor you want. This one. This washer is so cool. It has a little flap to do small load. I love it. LG. Yeah, I've been eyeballing this set. So I like the side. This is the new shaker cabinet style that is really popular, and I like it. Anyways, I just got back from Home Depot. These are the lights that I want to do and put alongside the driveway. I think that'll look really pretty. My friend Davina was telling me about doing that, so I bought these little stakes to put, and then you put the lights in them like that, so it's like really easy. So we'll try it out and see how it will look. So here it says they are 12-inch light stakes, a 25 pack. So I feel like this will go in the ground and then the lights will go in here. This seems like kind of hard work, you know. We will see how it works, okay? Because, you know, I'm getting in the spirit, you know. Happy holidays. And you know what? I don't know. Is it just me or is it Texas? Because all the stores that I've gone to are sold out of Christmas stuff already. I don't understand why. It's never been like this in every state that I've gone to. It's like not even mid Christmas, and everything is sold out. I just don't get it. Everyone's like preparing sooner than later, like Texas is on their stuff. Okay, so this is the daily combo that we have. FaceTime, my sister up there is doing her hair, and my sister down there is eating. I don't know why she's hiding. Oh, there she go.
You want to make me a guest, like your other sister.
What is that?
It's a fat cookie.
Oh. What's up with your hair? Is that called bed hair?
Sweet cookie.
Oh, it's a cookie.
Sweet cookie. Sweet cookie.
Mm-hmm. Is it yummy?
Who is that?
That's it.
Hunter? That's Hunter?
Are you eating?
We're eating at some yummy, yummy Asian spot, and I love rice. Here,
Okay.
Wow. So the lights turned out okay. I'm not like 100% satisfied with them. Part of me is just telling me to just not even turn them on, because I don't know, it took a lot to put together.
Sorry.
Put it back.
No.
What are you doing?
Oh no.
Leave my ornaments alone. No. Okay? Don't touch.
That's this one.
Yeah, thank you.
No.
Yeah. I'm kind of tired right now, and I'm just gonna play some music, light up the candle, and watch some Netflix, Christmas movie or something, and then just kind of straighten up the house and clean it up. So I'm just going to, you know, time lapse this. So yeah, kind of struggling to get 10 minutes worth of today's vlog, but I will try my hardest. I'm in the process of transferring all of my stuff into my makeup case. This is my makeup case, but I'm gonna put all of my nail stuff in here because right now, I'll show you what all my nail stuff looks like. This is all my nail stuff in here. I'm going to basically just transfer it all because, you know, this is kind of a mess and I need to organize it. So I'm gonna do it right now. Closing out tonight's video, I will show you guys tomorrow morning what my nails will look like. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!